Hey guys, so today I am going to show you how I extend my lashes. Just my natural lash. You know, my only makeup I use is lip gloss and mascara. No, but really. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. And I feel like this is the longest I've made them look with mascara. I also feel like they've been growing because I've been putting castor oil on them. But anyway, here's my natural lash. Here is my natural lash. Just regular. And this is what we're gonna get to. Okay, natural, desired. So I'll be using Wet n Wild, Max Fanatic. Okay, anyway. So, but before I do that, I'm gonna take one of these little, brushes, and I'm just going to, look guys. I'm gonna take one of these, and I'm just going to brush my lash. Just, Ooh, wow, okay. Try not to brush your eyeballs, though. I also brush the bottoms just for funsies. Okay, back to the top. And then I also do one of these. Ugh. Okay. Okay, so that's what I got it as right now. So now we're gonna take our Max Fanatic. Anyway, let me be halfway serious. Okay, get the mascara on there and go at it. Ooh, I'm trying to let you guys see, but I also need to look in the mirror for this one, guys, because this one is important. Okay, so right here. Okay, that's the first. And now let's try some more. Okay, because in comparison to this one, this is where we're at. So, we need to keep going. It was looking a little much. I keep my brush light. I don't put too much on. That looked like too much on here. I'm using this side. But still, it's like, ooh, that big old clump is concerning me. And this is my putting on a mascara face, y'all. What's yours? This is this one. So let me look. I like it, but I'll do one more. And then after this, it's a wrap, y'all. I'm done. Y'all, I'm liking that. Oh. Oh my gosh, y'all. I like zoomed in, right? I like flew into the camera. But wow. Guys, I like this one. Ooh. I'm gonna try not to OD. Try not to do too much on it. I'm just gonna leave it. But these are the lashes for today. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed that and I hope it was okay. Let me look at y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and that was just a quick little thing. I just thought of it while I was just after I got done with this one. I was like, they look longer. Hold on, let me show the girls. Okay, so yeah, and I've been using this one for a while. I like this one, but I also like Haley's that she let me use the other day. So I gotta ask her what that one is and let you guys know, and then do one with that one and see. But this one right now is hitting. So I just wanted to give you guys another view of them. Will it focus? Come on, focus. I really think they look longer, like no cap. Because I feel like in the other side of the video, you couldn't really see like that it looks like. It looked like lashes, hello? Okay guys, so I ended up putting like maybe 5 coats total. Not like in addition to, but like just total. So I hope you guys can like tell. That's how you can tell when they're like together. I'm like, hey guys, I just arrived. Just arrived. Wet n Wild did it for me. Don't forget to comment and let me know what y'all lash face is. You know, when you putting on your mascara. Oh, let me get this. let me. Anyway, thanks for joining me, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. See you on the next video.